rev it. Go. Woo! Yeah, motherfuckers. Watch out, G37s. This shit sounds fucking good, motherfucker.
Fucking great.
There you go, Tone Capone.
Tone Capone.
Yo, yo.
Tone Capone.
Gun that shit. Woo! Lambo. Hear that Lambo, son?
Good, bro. That sounded real good.
Oh,
yeah.
hell's yeah.
That echoed too.
Yeah.
You let that rap too much, right? Yeah.
Nah, that shit sounds like a Lambo, dude.
Like a Ferrari, right?
Yeah. It sounds like.
You hear that shit still going?
Yo. Yo, if like that car was me, look, see these pipes? No. Yeah, this is going on Facebook. You got flex, son. There you go. Fucking jacked fuck. Alright, where the fuck is he?
Yo, for the ladies on Facebook, who wants some hamburger meat?
Oh shit, son. There you go. That fucking jerk off's in front of him, probably.
He's fucking everything up, dude.
Nah, he better make a right. Yes, he made a right.
He better not run over
any pedestrians. There he goes. Woo!
He almost took it too far.
Huh?
He almost took it too far, bro. he almost pushed the limit, dude.
That shit sounds
Watch,
good.
he's gonna skid out, I guarantee. Oh no, maybe not.